I think this internship allows the medical students and the pre-med students who come here to learn about integrative medicine and also understand that there isn't just an answer in Western medicine, there can be answers found all over. The previous internships I've had are primarily in surgical rooms or shadowing a doctor, and I find that Jaseng Medical Academy's internship was a lot better at making sure students had a base level of knowledge before introducing them to the hands-on parts of concepts, because in the other internships that I've been a part of, typically we are just thrown into the hands-on aspect and we're kind of expected to know stuff or learn as we watch, which isn't the best way for students to learn new topics. So I think Jaseng Medical Academy did a really good job of teaching us and then introducing us to the hands-on things. The biggest lesson I learned is definitely the fact that Eastern medicine by itself and Western medicine by itself, neither are perfect, and that's why the best route forward, honestly, for patient treatment and for patient recovery is a combination of both, where Western medicine and Eastern medicine are both working to their strengths. Western medicine for maybe surgeries or more extreme cases, and Eastern medicine to help boost patients' overall health and recovery processes.